Let's look at American Studies Skill Rubric 1.A. The skill descriptor says, analyze specific developments, processes, and concepts in American history. Developments, in this case, mean the people, places, events, ideas, movements, texts, creations, etc. that all contribute to what we know as American history. Processes are the things that happened over time and that led to something else. Concepts, pretty easily understood, just the key ideas from history. Skill 1.A is classified as an analysis skill. All analysis skills measure your ability to break down elements of a study into key parts and explain how those parts function. Because the basic process of analysis is the same no matter what you're studying, all analysis skills share similar subskills. You will see identifying subskills, which measure your ability to identify parts, and explaining subskills, which measure your ability to explain how those parts work together. In some analysis skills, you will also see a focusing subskill, which will measure how well you're able to focus on the most relevant parts. Skill 1.A is divided into two subskills, identifying historical developments and explaining historical developments. All identify subskills have the same proficiency language. This is because when we evaluate your ability to identify parts, we always have the same ends in mind. We want to see how accurate and how precise you are in that identification. Similarly, all explaining subskills have the same proficiency language. What we're looking for there is that you have clarity and detail in your explanations. It's now time for you to fill out the "this means" statements on your rubric. Download the Identifying Subskill Characteristics document on the next slide for help. You can also download the Explaining Subskill Characteristics document on the slide after that. These two documents will help give you the language you might need to fill out your "this means" statements.